Another global news, Cuba pays tribute to its 32 soldiers killed during a U.S. military operation in Venezuela that led to the capture of Nicolás Maduro. In a state ceremony held in Havana, the remains of Cuba's armed forces and intelligence service soldiers were flown home and honored as national heroes, with top officials including President Miguel Díaz-Canel and former leader Raúl Castro in attendance. Cuba had decreed 2 days of tribute for the men, some of whom had been assigned to Maduro's protection team. During the event, Minister Major General Lazaro Alberto Alvarez took a dig at U.S., saying that dignity of Cubans cannot be bought with displays of wealth and power.
If something has shown this painful page in history, is that imperialism can have more sophisticated weapons. It may have immense material wealth. It may buy the minds of the hesitant, but it will never be able to buy the dignity of the Cuban people. A people do not become great because of its material wealth, but by its capacity to keep memories of its heroes alive.
Los pueblos no se hacen grandes.
Thousands of people gathered waving Cuban flags as the convoy carrying the soldiers' bodies moved along one of capital's main boulevards. A long queue was witnessed outside the Ministry of Armed Forces building as Cubans lined up in Havana to pay tribute to the soldiers. The vigil were open until 6 p.m. local time as part of the national tribute activities that started in the morning. The tribute has also been used by Cuban leaders to project national unity as they push back against pressure from U.S. President Donald Trump. And Trump has urged Cuba to make a deal with Washington without specifying terms and warned of consequences if it does not, including cutting off Venezuelan oil and financial support that the island relies on. Cuba, facing its worst economic crisis in decades, has responded defiantly, even as the loss of key Venezuelan support adds to its mounting challenges.
Defender la misión que cumplían y digamos que ponderamos, ¿no? Sí, nosotros